are the problem with this uh, high moisture containing region is you cannot store your food grain for a long period of time. Now, what is the problem with food grain storage? Now, if the moisture is very high, there is possibility that there will be contamination of fungus, and the fungus will eventually contaminate your things, and it will eventually cause the production of aflatoxins, which are low molecular weight organic entity which are being released by fungus. And these aflatoxins are highly neurotoxin as well as carcinogenic. There are two things. One is neurotoxin; it can cause paralysis. At the same time, continuous continuous exposure to low quantity of aflatoxin will lead to carcinogenesis or causing of cancer. So this is the biggest problem in storage of food grains, where the fungus contamination can take place, and therefore you need to have proper research setup to establish proper storage mechanism for food grains and staple foods, including pulses. So what happens is, because in this region in northern India, in Punjab and Haryana, a lot of food grains are being produced, and therefore the Research Institute for Food Grain Technology, food grain storage technology, is also post-harvest engineering and technology is also present in northern India. Now next is ICR Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is again present in Kochi. As I have said, Kochi is in Kerala, and in Kerala you get a large shoreline, the second largest shoreline. The first largest shoreline present in Andhra Pradesh, second largest is in Kerala. In Kerala you get a large shoreline, and therefore the Marine Fisheries Research Institute is present in Kochi. Okay, and then comes the ICR Research Central Plantation Crops Research Institute in Kasargod, that is in Andhra Pradesh, where you get the Central Plantation Crop Research Institute. Now, when we talk about plantation crop, we are essentially talking about small plants, but very important plants. For example, groundnut, for example, soybean. These are leguminous plants, but there are some other varieties like including this thing that pepper, and all these things comes under this plantation crops. Okay, so that plantation crop research institute is present in Andhra. Okay, so this is how I would like to conclude today's session, and by tomorrow you all will talk about your talk to your this thing and try to capture the this thing. uh, oh yeah, right, it could be. So what happens is, you talk to your faculty, those who are aware that you are there in this course. If they are not aware of, you can tell them we are going to have an online internship, and for that our instructor or our guide requires certain this thing from you. And when you want to do the initial talk, then I'll let you know through WhatsApp what exactly should be written in the letter. Okay, then you can show them, it is just for your benefit. You will come to know how exactly it will shape. Yes, so this is how I would like to close today's session.